Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, rustdesk, an open source remote desktop application built to rival tools like TeamViewer. It allows you to self-host your own server, giving you full control over your data and connections without relying on a third-party service. We'll explore why this Rust-based project is gaining so much traction. What if you could remotely access your computer with all the convenience, but without trusting a third-party company with your data? As data privacy becomes more important than ever, one open-source project is challenging the big names in remote desktop software. It's designed to put control firmly back into your hands. That project is rustdesk. It's an open-source remote desktop app written in Rust, and it's a direct, self-hostable alternative to services like TeamViewer. Developed by the rustdesk organization, it has gained incredible traction. Right now, it has over 112,000 stars on GitHub, with nearly 400 of those added in just the last day. That kind of growth clearly shows a strong demand for what rustdesk is offering. So, what's the core problem rustdesk is solving? It's our dependency on centralized, commercial, remote desktop services. For a long time, individuals and IT admins had to rely on these platforms. This meant accepting that their connection data would pass through corporate servers, which introduces potential privacy risks and a loss of data sovereignty. Rustdesk's solution is simple but powerful. Self-hosting. It lets you set up your own rendezvous and relay server. This means all your connection traffic stays within your own network. It's a fundamental shift, moving the trust away from a third-party provider and back to your own controlled environment. Let's dive into the technical details. Rustdesk's architecture is a hybrid model that prioritizes direct peer-to-peer connections. Here's how it works. When you start a session, your client contacts a central coordination server, which is called a rendezvous server. Think of this server as a matchmaker. It introduces the two clients and helps them establish a direct connection using a technique called TCP hole punching to get through firewalls. Now, if that direct link can't be made, the server seamlessly switches to a relay mode. It routes the traffic itself to make sure the connection goes through. This design gives you the best of both worlds, the low latency of a direct connection and the high reliability of a relayed one. The project's technical foundation is also quite impressive. The core logic is built in Rust, which was chosen for its top-tier performance and memory safety. These are critical features for any stable, high-throughput application like this. Then, for the user interface, rustdesk uses the Flutter framework. This ensures a consistent look and feel whether you're on Windows, macOS, Linux, or even a mobile device. This combination of a Rust core and a Flutter UI delivers a secure, high-performance backend with a modern, cross-platform front-end. So how is rustdesk used in the real world? It serves a really wide audience. For example, IT support technicians use it to remotely troubleshoot employee computers. Remote workers can securely access their office desktops from home. System administrators can manage servers behind a firewall by using its TCP tunneling feature to create a secure channel. And for anyone who's privacy conscious, it's a great way to manage personal devices without any third-party oversight. While rustdesk works right out of the box with public servers, its true power is in self-hosting. This allows entire companies to build a private remote access infrastructure that meets their own internal security policies. But of course, no project is without its challenges. Rustdesk's reliance on Rust, Flutter, and several C++ libraries makes for a complex build process. This can be a real barrier for new contributors who want to get involved. Beyond that, security for any remote access tool is a constant battle. The project's claim of no concerns about security is a bit optimistic. Realistically, its code and protocols need continuous auditing to defend against new vulnerabilities. And finally, just maintaining the platform-specific code for screen capture and input control is a huge long-term burden, especially as operating systems are always changing. In the end, rustdesk provides a powerful open-source answer to the growing demand for data sovereignty in remote access. By combining a modern, performance-focused tech stack with a self-hostable model, It offers a truly compelling alternative for anyone who values privacy and control over their digital world.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.